The following BLTV program is brought to you by O'Flaherty Law. Please enjoy.
Welcome to Learn About Law. My name is Kevin O'Flaherty from O'Flaherty Law. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you need some help, please feel free to give us a call at 630-324-6666. That's 630-324-6666. Thanks for watching.
Hi everyone, this is Andrew with Learn About Law, and in this video I'm going to be talking about Illinois estate planning in 2021. So it can be hard to predict exactly what changes will be made into law, but what we do know is that the Biden administration has expressed a desire to decrease the estate and gift tax exemptions by as much as a factor of 10. There has also been talk of increasing the estate tax. How do we adjust our estate planning for these changes? Well, for many of us, an exemption limit of $11.5 million isn't something that factors heavily into our estate planning. Unless you are fairly wealthy, estate planning is meant to protect what assets you have, make sure those assets avoid probate, and go straight into to your beneficiaries and give your estate as many tax advantages as possible. However, if the Biden administration succeeds and lowers the current exemptions, a much larger amount of individuals may be affected. So then the question becomes, how can I protect those assets now and preserve the higher exemption amount? There are a few options out there that you should discuss with your estate planning attorney. One in particular might be what's called a SLAT. A SLAT is an irrevocable trust that is funded by the grantor's spouse, separate assets. This type of trust requires you to plan ahead, but it has great utility because it can preserve the increased exemption limit while giving access to the funds to the beneficiary spouse. Bottom line, you should be thinking about how lower exemptions and increased estate taxes might affect your planning, and give us a call if you have any questions. And as always, thank you for tuning in.
Hi, this is Kevin O'Flaherty again. I hope you enjoyed that video. We have many geographical locations for your convenience, so if you need some help, give us a call at 630-324-6666. That's 630-324-6666. Thanks again.